So we plug it in, and the first thing I would do when I get to a club or a festival or anything, my settings load. And here's a playlist that I created for today. And as you can see here, well, I always choose the smallest size so I can have more tracks in the screen. But as you can see, everything that I have until finish is gonna be my set. So I know how to navigate. Also, a lot of my music has lots of melodies and things like that. So you cannot improvise 100%. So for instance, when I play my track Paradise, or Chase the Sun, I'm going to pretty much know what track I'm going to play afterwards and which track I'm going to play before, because it has lots of melody, so I want to play in key. So there's a few specific tracks that I will do that. But this way, as you can see on the screen, I have my set preparation. And if I go to Underground Library, for instance, 2024, I have some more music that I can, navigate during a set. And for me, it's been working really good. I'm not planning on changing this anytime soon, and I feel like this is the best way when it comes to DJing, being comfortable and knowing pretty much all your library.